So today we are going to be learning how to make bracelets. I've got loads and loads of bracelets here. So there's so many colours, as you can tell. So many colours. So today we're going to be learning how to make them. Okay. What you need is your S-clip. I've got a couple here, but you just need one. It's really easy to lose. So you need one of these and whatever colour you want, but most of these you can see are 2 colours or even 3 or even rainbow, or as I say, no particular colour at all. So any colour you would like. I'm thinking I'm going to do light blue with some purple and some baby pink too. I would say it's easier to keep them in colour order in case you have too many of them. So there we go. So I'm going to first start off with the pink one. You can do whatever colour you want. So get your loom band, twist and put it on your fingers like that. See, twisted. And go like that. Put another one on and up and up. See? But no more twisted ones after that. Just one twisted one. Okay? On, pick up, twist and twist. I find it easier to use different colours so you don't get muddled up where is where. So then we'll go back to pink. Over, over. Let's try that again. 1, on, over, over. But see, that's at my top of my fingers now. That won't work to put another one on. Just going to push it down like that. And it might look a little bit funny, so just in between everyone, just pull a bit. So I'm just going to carry on step by step repeating, but no more twisted ones. So I've made it this quite long. So this is my bracelet. As I say, if you're doing it for like your baby sister, then you can do it little baby brother. If you're doing it for your mum or your dad, you might want to make it quite big, but yeah. So this is what we've done. So get your fingers and pull this one over so it's on one finger like that. Okay? Grab your clip. I like to call it an S-clip. It's quite easy to lose. Right, so see that's on one finger. Stretch it out to be on 2 fingers again. Hook it. Don't really saw that. See it just there? Okay. Okay, so now do it on the other side again. There we go. Like that. See? That is our bracelet. And if you'd like to make a necklace, then you're just going to have to make this, but longer, so it's a necklace. So this is a choker, but if you want it like, so it goes around your neck baggy, then you would just have to, if it like loose around your neck, then you would just have to make it really, really long. Don't know if you can even see this, but we've got that one there. So, I hope you enjoyed. Bye, see you soon.